I made another. Stop bouncing, man. You're like my little kid. Yeah. So I made another garden. I made one garden hoe and I actually really liked it. So it's a very simple design. And this time I'm just gonna do it very quick. So otherwise I make exactly the same video. But this time I want it a little bit smaller. So this one you can keep standing straight and you dig. It actually works really well. It's very ergonomic. But now I want one that is more like an axe. That's a little bit more like chopping. When you have a tree, my tree is this time square. All the roots are often going away from the tree. So if you have an axe, you're always trying to chop like this, but there's always a tree in the way. It's very annoying. If the cutting edge is square like this, I'm standing here and then I cut like this, and it's just easy, and I just really like it. It's also a totally different cutting edge, so yeah, let's just make one. This is actually super few fish eye, and then still not everything fits. Okay, let's make the second. Good enough. Let's cut this out. Step one. Now this is step one. So the last time I cut a hole and then I welded this, but this time I think I'm gonna put it like something like this. Or not? No, that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna put it half in. That's what I'm gonna do. Because this was too much work. And I don't think it was needed. You don't have a big drill bit, you just do it with the angle grinder. Now with the thicker one I make a circle. Not bad. Oh, I forgot. That is a detail. Oops. I don't even know if you see this, but oval, circle. Why do I cut a circle? Let's make an oval. It's better than most X handles from the past. Okay. That's actually quite close. You cannot see much light. So now I only have to make the top part slightly wider. So then I can put the wood in, smash a metal pin here, wedge, and then it holds it well here. Easy peasy. Now I have to smash something in, like a wedge, so it stands out a bit. Did not curve out as much as I hoped. Forward it did, but maybe that's also fine. This looks terrible, but I can just fill up this whole welding area. And it's quite in the middle. It's hard to see, but it's actually not bad. Let's grind. You see, not that bad. Turn you around. No. Yeah? Diaper? Yeah, how late is it? Okay. Okay, I come. Papa. Still have to clean this up, because that's nasty. I'm not trying to weld proper, as you maybe have seen. It's a garden hoe. It's not that my life depends on it, or it's not like it's a car axle or whatever. But it shows that this is a really good beginner's project. Now I'm only gonna weld here some better piece of steel, like this. It's actually very cheap. The cheaper ones are softer, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, old metal files, they're perfect as a cutting edge. I thought they would chip quickly, but it's quite good. You don't have to, you can also just grind this. It's fine. But I have a lot of those files, so I cut the file off, weld it on. Probably break the temper or whatever, but it does work. And it already has like the bevel, so you don't have to grind that much. Okay, let's grind it a little bit pretty. The bevel, and then we're done. So it fits close, but not really perfect. I don't like noise. I thought I had a bigger hammer. Seriously, they should put GPS on those freaking hammers. Halfway. I've had a better fit, but so yeah. Maybe I should keep the round ones, that's much easier to make. I think this will hold. Yeah, that was way too thick. But it will hold, so whatever. So, turn you around. So half meter handle seems nice. So it has some chopping force because this is acacia. It's quite hard. You see, even though this is I think it's 4 millimeters of steel, there's still quite some flex, and the ones in the store are way thinner. Okay, so thanks for watching.